Hello and welcome to my class. In this video, I shall be showing you how to obtain sine 45 degrees, cos 45 degrees, and tan 45 degrees without the use of mathematical tables or calculator. How do we get this done, guys? We shall be doing that using what we call a unit square. So a unit square is, of course, a square having all sides as 1 unit. Okay? So each side of a unit square is 1 unit. So these are 1 unit. Okay? And the angles are 90 degrees at each vertex of the square, of course. So let's name these A, B, C, and D. Now, the idea behind getting this done will be to draw a diagonal from A to C, or you could draw from B to D, you will still get the same result. So that, taking note of the fact that the diagonal that runs from A to C is a bisector. That means that when it runs from A to C, it partitions the angle 90 degrees at C and the angle 90 degrees at A into 45 degrees, 45 degrees. Okay? So we would use this to now cut out the right angle triangle ACD. So this is A, C, and D. 45 degrees here, 45 degrees there. Okay? And this will be 1 unit, 1 unit. But there is a problem. What will this side be? The side AC. So for us to get the side AC, we shall be using Pythagoras theorem. In which case, the hypotenuse squared, AC squared, will be equal to the sum of the squares of the other side, AD squared plus CD squared. Okay? Now, AD squared will be 1 squared, CD squared will be 1 squared, and AC squared will result in this. This would amount to 1 squared, which is 1 plus 1, or the other 1 squared, giving us 2. It implies that AC will be the square root of 2 when you take the square root of both sides. Now that we have the question mark here as 2, it now means we can proceed with sine 45 degrees. Sine of an angle is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? So opposite in this case, to any of the 45, you can pick any of the 45 degrees. So if you pick this one here, opposite to 45 degrees is 1, hypotenuse is 2. So it means sine 45 degrees is 1 over 2. Going over to cos 45 degrees, cos of an angle is adjacent over hypotenuse. Now, if we still make reference to this angle 45 degrees here, it means that we would have adjacent as 1, which is this, and hypotenuse remains 2. So it means cos 45 degrees is the same as sine 45 degrees, which is 1 over 2. Then finally, tan 45 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite to this 45 degrees again, please take note, is 1. Adjacent to this 45 degrees is 1. So that will give you 1 over 1, which is 1, telling you that tan 45 degrees is 1. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like and share this video. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel on YouTube, GER Hub, my TikTok account, GER Hub on TikTok, and also my Facebook page, John Hussein. Follow us for more videos like this. Until some other time, stay blessed.